Vacuum cleaners have had some bizarre attachments over the years. I'm not talking about dusting brushes and crevice tools, I'm talking about attachments for personal care. I'm going to look at 3 today that actually exist, believe it or not, and also stick around because after that I'm going to show you my very own Henry Hoover hack for men. Women are going to love me for this, I promise you. First up, we have vacuum cleaner haircuts. Now, we've been using attachments on our vacuum cleaners for our hair since the 1960s, believe it or not. But the most popular one was bought out in the 80s. It's the Flowbee. Now, this sucks up your hair and there's blades inside that cut it to your desired length. And then the hair shoots down the vacuum pipe, so there's no mess. Not a bad idea, eh? Even George Clooney uses one of these to cut his own hair, so it can't be that bad. But the downside, of course, if it goes wrong, it goes really wrong. Now we're going to go back to the 1950s and we have the vacuum cleaner vibrator. That really is what it's called. It's made by Filter Queen, but it's not the vibrator that you're thinking of. It's an attachment that goes onto your vacuum cleaner hose and it turns your vacuum cleaner hose into a massager. Now, the good points are the guy on the box looks like he's really enjoying it, and people did buy them, but I think the name's a bit weird. And can you imagine actually being wrapped up with your vacuum cleaner, trying to relax on the sofa, and then your wife comes home and finds you? It's just a bit weird. Number 3 on our list is the baby nose cleaner attachment. Now, this isn't some crazy Victorian invention from the past. No, it's actually a current product. It exists today. I bought this on Amazon. It's crazy. Basically, it's designed to chuck on your vacuum cleaner, pop it on your baby's nose, and it sucks up all the snot. Now, the good thing about this is that doctors are saying it's perfectly safe, so fair enough. Mums that are using it reckon it's the best thing since sliced bread. The bad bits, honestly, it's my opinion, and I don't know what you think, but I find the whole thing just totally disturbing. I don't know what to say. And finally, we have my very own invention. Remember, you saw it here first. It is the Henry Stubble Sucker 2000. Now, this beast of an invention catches every bit of stubble as you're trimming your beard. So the good points: there's no mess when you're trimming your beard. Your wife's happy, no nagging, no bits everywhere in the bathroom. And the bad bit, well, it's obviously in early stages of development, but I really think it could take off. Dragon's Den, here I come. So that is it. We've had haircuts, vibrators, baby torturing devices, and obviously the best invention that you've ever seen in your life. But I do need to know from you in the comments, which one of these would you be actually willing to try? Now, I always ask for people to comment, and it's very rare that people do. No one listens to me. But on this one, I really need you to, because if I get loads of comments on this video, I'm gonna actually try one on a follow-up video. So if you pick the haircut one, I'm gonna cut my own hair. Please, please pick the vibrator. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see the follow-up video that I do. This next video is another one, a couple of minutes long, that you can join in with.